It's a demo for the feature of fault tolerance of our application. As we can see, we already have 3 online users in the chat room, and the fault tolerance mechanism is to continue the chat even when the host is failed. So in this room, Jen is the host, and the peer-to-peer server is together with it. If Jen's computer suddenly shut down or break the app, the server will fail, and what we need to do is keep the functionality of Bob and Tim to chat together. So let's demo this feature. I'll just clear the peer-to-peer server, which also clear the Jen's interface because they are in the same process. We click and we can see a new peer-to-peer server started and connect Bob and Tim to this room. And what this doing is when Jen's server failed, Bob as the second host will get this information and start its own peer-to-peer server to as a new host and have the servers to serve all the clients in the chat room. From the log, we can see it says the host failed. That means the Bob already detected the Jen's fail, and the team will know the fail also because it need to reconnect to Bob's server to continue the chat. And the next log is Bob is a new host, and then Bob connected with the new server and team connected following him. And now we can see Jen already quit the room and Bob and Tim in the room, and they can still chat normally. With all the previous history in the interface. And click hello, and it's still functional. And then we will try to add Jen back to this room to test the application. Same thing here, a new terminal, change directory, and run the jar files. User jar files, chat main.jar. Use this new interface. If I'm Jen, I will click the username first, go online, query for peers, and now because the host name is host become Bob, the host will show as Bob, and inside room there's 2 people, Bob and Tim, and now online users have Jen, and it can so she can join the Bob's room to continue their communication. So we need to join Bob's room, input Bob and click join. Then Jen is in the room. We can see now the room has Bob, Tim, Jen, and Jen is the last one to join. And Bob and Tim will get the message Jen already connected, and Jen can say hello to everyone. I change another. Jen said hello. Send. And Bob and Tim will get this message, and we will try Tim and Bob to see if they are normal. Said hello. Bob said hello. And they are like it works perfectly like before, only Jen lost some chat history. And this is the fault tolerance mechanism, and because Bob is now the host. We can try it again by kill the Bob. So we close the peer-to-peer server, and we can see a new peer-to-peer server start again, and now the host is team. I use the second one following the host to enter the room as the next host always. So this is a whole mechanism.